Framer liquid glass. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. Click Login at the top right of your screen. Then click Login with email. Enter your email address and click Continue. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Click New Project at the top right of the screen to start new design. Now, in a new tab, go to 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. Use the search bar to search for liquid glass, and then scroll down the results until you find a section labeled Grab the Component. Then click on it. After that, click the Copy Component button to copy the liquid glass component to your clipboard. Return to your Framer project and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the component into your canvas. Once it appears in your design, look to the right side of the screen to adjust the settings. Click on the liquid glass component to open its settings. Set the mode to Custom, then adjust the appearance to match your design needs.